Greetings everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to change email on Instagram. Before you get started, please subscribe our channel. So here we are on the account. I want to go and change the email of. So firstly, go to your profile page by tapping on your profile picture in the bottom right, and then what you need to do is go to the top right and tap on the three dots just like this, and then you need to go and click on settings and privacy. Then what you need to do is go to top dress as your account, and it's the account center, and this is part of the new settings that Instagram and Facebook are rolling out. So if you don't have this support of new option for account center, what you should be able to do is just go and tap on account details somewhere in your settings and privacy page, and then you can change your email, but you should have the account center partition if not already. So go and click on it like this. Then what you need to do is go down account settings and go click on personal details, and on this page here you can then go and see my contact info. So I am going to go and click on that, and then as you can see my emails and my phone and numbers. So you can then go and type in your new email address in this box here, and as it says we will use the email address across all of your accounts. In the account center, to personal experience, and then scroll down, and you can go choose the accounts for this email address. So let's for explain. Go and click on this on here. As you can see, it then says adding this email address will go and replace my current email address on this Instagram account. So make sure you are sure that then you can go and type it in here, and then you could go and do it for the other account as well. And then once you have done it, you can then go and click on next at the bottom. That's it guys. That is the way how you can change email address on Instagram. This is the video for today. Thanks for watching this.